Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kirti Khetan, Director, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at CK Birla Hospital, Punjabibad. Let's talk about contraception today. Contraception is planning, not fear. Every woman has the right to plan her future and pregnancy. So, why contraception is needed? Contraception prevents unwanted pregnancy. It helps in spacing the children, and it has some non-contraceptive effects like regularization of the menses. It reduces period pain, acne, and most important, it protects you against the sexually transmitted infection. What contraceptives are available? If you want contraception for a short time, you can use hormonal contraceptives, which are available in the form of pills and injections, and barrier methods, which are condoms. If you want contraception for a long time, then you can go for intrauterine contraceptive devices and implants. One most important part of the contraceptive is emergency contraception, which can be used if you have or you fail to use contraceptive during sexual contact. Then if you use emergency contraceptive within 72 hours, it is almost 99% effective. There are few myths or taboos surrounding the contraceptive use. Like if you use pills, you can have infertility, and when you stop using the pills, there is delayed in the return of the infertility. Sometimes you must have heard that intrauterine contraceptive devices which are put inside the uterus, they move outside the uterus. And one most important myth is that you can use emergency contraceptive as a regular contraceptive. So what to do? When you are planning to use contraceptive, it's must that you should talk to your doctor, because contraceptive use is associated with few side effects and there are few contraindications with it. So when you are discussing with your doctor will take a detailed history, will do your examination, and if required, few lab investigations are done to find out which contraceptive is suitable for you. Remember, contraceptive is a part of healthcare, not a taboo. Myths need to stop. One contraceptive is not ideal for all. Contraception is not for preventing pregnancy. It's your choice and it's your right to choose the future. So, still you have any queries or any side effects if you are using contraceptive, then consult your gynecologist. Thank you.